Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for checking out this demo. I'm going to show you how to create your marketing funnel in 90 minutes with AI. Let's jump into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and trigger the AI and the automation to create all of the assets that we need in our marketing funnel. I have pre-filled this form for you in advance to save time. I'm going to go ahead and click on that button. I am now going to pause. It is right now, I just started the time. It is 11:03 my time. And what I will do is I'm going to pause and come on back and show you the time to show you how long it takes to update everything. While we're waiting, I'm going to go ahead and run you through very quickly the assets that are going to be created in this system. And I want to show you here what's going to be created. So in a nutshell, everything you see on this side is what is going to be auto created when I've clicked that form. We're waiting for it to populate. It's 11:06 right now. It's been about 3 minutes. We are going to update the landing page copy. So this generic landing page copy, this is where leads go to opt in, and this system will nurture them long-term on autopilot, and it's going to create all of the emails we need in the system to do it. And all the automation is already set up for all of this. So on this landing page, you can see that we have some generic information here. On this page, we have a calendar. So this is a lead magnet to book a call funnel. So we offer them a complimentary discovery call or strategy session right after they opt into the lead magnet. This is some generic placeholder text here. And here, I'm going to walk you through all of this here in a second. And then this page is going to be updated as well. In addition to these 3 pages being auto-updated in about another 2 minutes without having to do anything else, we're also going to receive 5 emails for what's called a soap opera sequence delivered to our inbox as a Google document, and a 7 email nurture sequence as well. I'm going to talk about the differences between these 2 campaigns right now while we're waiting. So in addition to updating automatically these 3 pages, which we're going to check here in just a second, we're going to do a refresh and watch them auto update here in just a second. We're going to receive 12 emails in Google Documents that we just plug into the automation into our system. It's a matter of copy and paste them over, and we have all of the nurture that we need to stay top of mind with the lead that just opted into our system. Okay, it is 11:09. It could be enough time. We might need another minute or 2. Let's go ahead and check and see if our pages are updated and we've received the emails to our own inbox here. And then I'm going to walk you through what all of these agents are and how you fill out this form right here. Where do you get the information to fill out this form? Our system walks you through all of that. Let's take a look. So let me go ahead and do a refresh on this page. Awesome. And it looks like we have propagated and we're good to go. Let's let that load. Cool. So you can see that the branding is updated. We have the headline is updated. The subheadline is updated. We've updated the lead magnet image. We've updated the title of the lead magnet here. This is the call to action button has been updated, and our bullet points have been updated as well. This is a lean, mean opt-in machine. Okay. And it just took 6 minutes on that to generate. Okay. Let's go ahead and click a refresh on this page. This is the calendar page as well. This particular setup is geared towards for coaches to attract coaches, but you can see here that we have the headline here as well. We're saying it's going to be delivered to their inbox in 2 minutes. So what we're doing is this funnel is designed to put them on a wait so that, hey, I'm not going to get my lead magnet right now anyway. I might as well take 2 minutes and go ahead and book in that call. Awesome. So the copy is updated here. We have the booking name. So this is an AI strategy session. You might call it a free consultation. It might be a discovery call, whatever. This is the calendar description. And then down here, we have the, hey, if they get it this far, don't miss out. This is the fear of missing out or the FOMO copy that we put in case they get to the bottom to make sure that they actually book. Cool. Now, next up, we're going to go into the thank you page, refresh on this, and this copy will be done as well. So this is if they've booked, they come on in, we're going to say, hey, we got a confirmation for you. We've greeted them by name. We let them know what email it was sent to. We let them know that the call has been set up with me and or your name could be here. These are the bullets have been updated and cool. Like enjoy your lead magnet. This is all auto populated. Awesome. Now let's hop into our inbox and look at the emails that were created as well. So again, in 6 minutes, all of these 3 pages are auto updated for us, and we're going to get the emails. Let me show you those emails right now. Cool. So I'm in my email inbox. By the way, this blur is an extension that I created using AI. It is not part of the video. Like it's literally an extension that I click and I can blur my inbox. If you think that's helpful, let me know. I'll get it to you. Awesome. So let me click inside here, unblur my inbox. And here we have it. Now we have 2 email campaigns that are going to be sent to our leads after they've opted in to that lead magnet. So again, when they come in and they give us their information, boom, they're in the system and we're going to start sending them these emails. Let me go ahead and show you what these look like inside. Number 1, this is what we call our soap opera sequence. This is a Russell Brunson. If you don't know who Russell Brunson is, he's a famous funnel marketer. He invented this framework. It is designed only to warm up and introduce yourself to the lead who opted in. Think about it as like dating. Typically, like there's a warm-up period before you get hot and heavy, and that's ultimately what this is. So this is, we are just introducing our story, who we are, and we're building knowability, likability, and trust with our new lead. Okay, this is a 5 email sequence. You can see that run on down here. Now, you may be noticing if you're already an AI or a ChatGPT user, that these emails don't look like a standard ChatGPT output or a standard ChatGPT email. These are highly prompted, expertly prompted on the back end to create laser-focused, highly engaging emails using the best copywriting techniques that I personally know how to use to create this kind of result. So there are 5 emails right here that are created. Notice that we're not sending any links. We are simply just saying, hey, here is my story. Awesome. So that is a framework that we follow. Those are the first 5 emails they get. Now, right after they get these emails, these 5, they're going to immediately start getting, those are one a day. So for 5 days straight, they get those emails. Now we're moving into the nurture, which is now that we've built rapport with them, they know your story, they have grown to like you and trust you a little bit more. Now you're prompting them to actually take action, click links, do more salesy stuff. Maybe it's buy your course, maybe it's sign up for your webinar, whatever it may be. This is what that nurture sequence is for. This is more sales driven. Now, if I scroll on down, you're going to get 7 of them. So we have email 1, email 2. Okay. And again, notice that these are not generic AI written ChatGPT garbage emails. Overwhelmed, overbooked, and still falling behind contact name. Notice it doesn't start with, hey name, boring. So you're juggling coaching, marketing, admin, and some are supposed to grow. Notice the use of italics, your business too, using bold. Here's the link to book. So this is really styled and following copywriting formulas. So this is email 3, email 4, email 5, email 6, email 7. These are all ready to go for you to copy and paste into the automation. Now, in addition to all of the copy being auto-updated for you here, getting the soap opera sequence delivered to your inbox, and getting your 7 email nurture sequence delivered to your inbox, what else you receive are these documents right here. So these are your ICP document or ideal client profile document, your core offer document, your soap opera sequence story, and you also will figure out, you'll get your lead magnet as well. You may already have a lead magnet that we can deliver. And here's what this all looks like. You go through our process to talk with our agents, our AI tools, and we help you extract the information from your brain and get it down in a document that we then feed into this form, which then creates all of the information and the assets that we need inside of the funnel. So how long does this take? This process right here to create these documents is what I say takes about 90 minutes. So it could take more, it could take less, depending on how thorough you are, what other assets you may have. But on average, we're talking 90 minutes to get some really powerful assets that you already need in your business. Plug those assets into this form, click a button, and out comes your results. Awesome. Let me walk you through what each of these look like. Number one, your ideal client profile document. This document, I have been told again and again to clients in my business that this is absolute fire and pure gold for any business owner. It takes you about 20 minutes to go through my proprietary process to extract some basic information, work the process, and you get a 7-page document on the demographics of your ideal dream or your dream client profile or ideal client profile. There's psychographics. Okay, so right here, so they're empathetic. They possess the ability to understand clients' emotions and challenges on a deeper level. This is not you coming up with this in your head. This is ChatGPT pulling this from what it knows about the information you give it. Okay, so what are their hopes, desires, and aspirations, pain points and challenges? What channels are they in? Information consumption preferences. Cool. False limiting beliefs, false vehicle beliefs, false external beliefs. These are just absolute massive data points to know about who it is that you're targeting. Cool. This becomes a cornerstone in all of your content and all of your marketing efforts because this is who you're trying to attract. Your messaging will then resonate with them rather than falling flat and sounding really generic. Awesome. Next up, we have our core offer document. I've used this agent to create so many offers and sell so many things. I am not saying do it because I think it's cool. I'm saying doing it because I've sold offers using this agent. So this is what that looks like. You get a document at the end of it. You can style this, make it however pretty you want. I literally just handed a Google document to people and closed $5,000 deals plus with this process. So you get a document that looks something like this. So who is it for? What's your overview, offer overview, what's included in the offer? Okay. Basically bonuses you're providing. So it will walk you through what is all included in that system. Cool. Or in your offer rather. Next, we have the SOS story. This is remember over here, the soap opera sequence that we created, the 5 emails that we created to to get them to know, like, and trust you. That is this document right here. So this document right here is right here. So this shows you what is the setting, what is your background and starting point, what is your biggest early challenge, what was your aha moment, what was your unexpected positive outcomes, right? And then what's the key message to your audience for the final call to action. So you get this document as well. In addition, right, I have so much more that is included in the actual program itself, including our community, courses, trainings. But ultimately, at the end of the day, we're talking 90 minutes. You go through our process right here in 90 minutes. You complete the form, and everything you need to get your funnel up and running is created for you. Then all you do, literally the manual part of you, takes these Google documents and you copy them and paste them into an email template, and you're good to go. I want to make it clear that all of the automation to collect the lead, to send the emails, to notify alerts, to manage your pipelines, all of that is all done for you. There's nothing else you need to do except literally work with our agents to create your content, to plug it into the form, and then copy and paste emails in, and you're done. I am in beta right now with this program. I have a select number of seats, a small number of seats. I'm working with some highly driven individuals who are open to helping me build the foundational groundwork for this new program and offer. Seats are filling up fast. And if you want in, or you want to learn more about what's included, go ahead, click the link or somewhere around this video in the description or below, wherever it is you might be seeing this video, book in your call with me and I can walk you through exactly what's included. It's a massive value. It is a complete no-brainer. And I want to make it very clear that this is an absolute no-brainer offer for anyone who wants to get up and running with their funnel in 90 minutes or less. Talk to you soon. Cheers.